All right, what's up guys? So I want to share with you the new BlockFi credit card that just came out. Just got it in the mail. I'm gonna unbox it for you. I've already opened it, obviously, as you can see, but I want to share with you what it looks like because it's the first time that I'm actually gonna be able to see it. Well, not really. I did take a peek at it, but it's pretty cool. So this is the box that it comes in. You get a pretty cool unveiling of the BlockFi credit card. And basically it's just a simple, pull tab right here. Looks like that. And on the back here, you can see it says, activate your card online at blockfi.com/activate, or you can do it on your app. So if you have the BlockFi app, if you're already a customer with them, you go straight to the app and it looks like you just enter in the last four digits on the card. So I like the card. It is super heavy duty. If you have an Apple card, you know exactly what the titanium feels like. This is very similar. It's very heavy duty. It's definitely not plastic, as you can see. And this is the BlockFi credit card. So every purchase I make with this credit card, I will be earning 3% cash back for 90 days. It does go down from there, but there is the rewards of Bitcoin that you receive every time you swipe this credit card, just like any other credit card or cash rewards card. Instead, it's a Bitcoin rewards card. I am so excited about this because you guys know Bitcoin has been appreciating value for the last 10 plus years. So if I can earn Bitcoin on every purchase that I make, I'm gonna go for that all day because I know exactly how valuable that Bitcoin is. And you see it all over the place right now. Companies, banks, high net worth individuals, they're trying to accumulate Bitcoin. They understand Bitcoin is a digital gold. It is more valuable than gold, most people say, who are proponents of it. I believe this as well because you can't tamper with it. Once it's yours, it's yours. You are your own bank. There is no third party managing your funds. Bitcoin is one of the most important and valuable assets around today. And I think something like this is just gonna be the start of it. You already see places like Coinbase offering a debit card where you can get cash or crypto rewards as well. Venmo also, I have a Venmo credit card, and on their app, every time I get cash back, it asks me, do I want to automatically switch that cash back to a Bitcoin purchase? So I already had that in play. Now I have this in play. So I'm just gonna be using this on my everyday expenses, all my expenses, my recurring things that I have in my life. BlockFi Rewards credit card is gonna be what I'm gonna be using. If you're not a customer of BlockFi, I highly encourage you, click the link down below. It's an affiliate link. If you use that link, we'll both get compensated some free Bitcoin. All you have to do is deposit, I think $100 of Bitcoin into your BlockFi account. You'll get rewards from that. If you don't already have Bitcoin or crypto to put into BlockFi, I recommend using the Coinbase link down below. You also get some free Bitcoin if you make your first deposit and buy some Bitcoin. So I would highly recommend, guys, if you don't have any investments already out there, you might as well tap into something that has been exploding over the past 10 years. Most high net worth individuals that I speak with and listen to on a weekly, daily basis, they say at least 1% of your net worth should be in something like cryptocurrencies. If you're a little bit more aggressive, you can do 5 to 10%, whatever your level of aggression is in terms of investing, go for it and start dabbling in something that is literally changing the world as we speak. So BlockFi is also great too. If you don't want to get a credit card, maybe you just want to hold some crypto and earn rewards, you certainly can do that. BlockFi is one of the only places that I've found that offers you 5% Bitcoin back just by holding it every year. So you get paid out every single month. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Litecoin, Uniswap, and a few others that you can just hold your crypto in the BlockFi account, and you'll get paid back in those rewards in terms of interest, because BlockFi is a service that actually allows you to leverage your cryptocurrency as well instead of just holding it and earning interest. The reason why they're able to give you interest and you're able to earn interest is because they have the ability to lock up people's crypto and give people the opportunity to get cash, you know, like a loan you would get at the bank, instead of the collateral that you have normally. The collateral in this case is your cryptocurrency. So if you needed a loan, $10,000 for example, you could say, hey, hold my 0.8 Bitcoin or 1 Bitcoin, you give me $10,000 and I'll pay you back, you know, a low monthly fee of, you know, $80 a month or whatever it is until that's paid back. And then your crypto is released again. But that's great because you don't want to sell your crypto. Even though you need $10,000, you can use something like BlockFi and just leverage your crypto and still get the cash that you need for whatever purchase you're going to do. So I highly recommend BlockFi. Definitely click the links down below to buy some crypto either on BlockFi or Coinbase, whatever you prefer. And check out the new BlockFi credit card. I got it right here. I love it. I can't wait to use this on some expenditures I'm going to be doing here soon. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.